Hey there tech savvy viewers, today we have got something exciting to share that's going to level up your gaming experience. It's all about the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 tablet, the ultimate gaming companion. They may have stepped out of the gaming phone market, but Lenovo is back with a bang working on an incredible gaming tablet, the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023. Are you as excited as I am? Let's dive right in. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer power of the Lenovo Legion Y700. Under the hood, it packs a punch with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and LPDDR5X RAM. This is a huge leap from last year's Snapdragon 870 model, guaranteeing seamless performance and mind-blowing gaming adventures. Lenovo didn't just stop at power, they went above and beyond with the design too. This tablet is slimmer and lighter than ever at just 7.6 mm thick, display size of 8.8 inches and weighs 348 grams. You can effortlessly slip it into your bag and carry it wherever your gaming heart desires. Although the display size is not bigger, it does however offer a 2.5K resolution and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Talk about an immersive visual treat. And guess what? It covers 100% of DCI-P3 color space and has a peak brightness of 500 nits. That means vibrant, colorful visuals that will make your games come to life. The battery capacity is the same at 6550 mAh, which should have been increased in capacity if you ask me, but it will be just fine. Now here's the cherry on top for all you creative souls out there. This tablet supports Stylus input with detection for 4096 levels of pressure. So whether you are sketching, note-taking or just doodling away, this tablet's got you covered. And here's the real showstopper. Not one but two USB-C ports, with one on the long side and another on the short side. You can say goodbye to the hassle of unplugging and plugging peripherals. Charge your tablet with one port and connect a USB hub to the other for the ultimate experience. Mark your calendar folks, because the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 model is set to launch on July 22nd, which happens to be a Saturday. So get ready to level up your gaming on the weekend. That's it for today's exciting sneak peek. If you are as thrilled about the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 model as we are, smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay updated on all things tech. Thank you for watching till the very end and catch you in the next one.